Hey friends! Okay, so if you're watching this video, you might have one or two questions. One question might be, how do I get into Flipgrid? That might be your first question, and I'm going to try to answer that in this video. Your second question might be, how do I make a response video? So I'm going to try to answer that one too, okay? So the first one is, how do I get to Flipgrid? So I'm going to walk you through that right now. So there's going to be two ways to get to the assignment, okay? So the assignment's going to be in Flipgrid. So let me show you how to get to find the assignment first, and then it's going to take you right to Flipgrid, okay? So the first assignment is Google Classroom. You got to get into my Google Classroom. So if you want to go through your class links and click on Google Classroom, it's going to take you to these. And this assignment's going to be my first assignment's going to be posted under the reading class. So go ahead and click on that one and you'll see it right here. Flipgrid assignment, September 8th, okay? Once you're inside of this class, click classwork. And you'll see week 1 and you'll see the Flipgrid assignment name again, okay? This is the assignment. Go ahead and click on it and it'll look like this. And what I'm going to do is on my Google site, I'm going to create a link that's going to take you right to this page. So if you don't want to go through the Google Classrooms, if you don't want to click on this and then find the classroom and click through it to find this, just go to my Google site and I'm going to have a link there for you. And it's going to take you right to this page. So once you're here, it's going to take you to Flipgrid, so go ahead and click on this little link right here, this assignment. This is going to take you to Flipgrid. You click on it and you're going to see this. So what you're going to want to do is click Join with Microsoft. Click on that. And if you haven't signed in before, it's going to ask you for your email and your password. And if you're signed into your Chromebook, hopefully it's automatic. You shouldn't have to do it, but if you do, go ahead and put in your email. And since I've already signed in before, mine's already here. And it might ask you for your password. I'm hoping it doesn't, but if it does, go ahead and put in your password. It should be the same one that you use to get into your Chromebook. And then click on it. And it's going to log you in automatically. So it's going to take you right to the assignment in Flipgrid. And so now what you want to do is watch my video first. Watch my Flipgrid video. And then after you watch it, record your response. So this is how you record a response video. You want to click either record response or you can click this red one here. Flipgrid updates their website a lot. So it might look like this or you might have a green plus sign. Either one, click on it and it's going to make you record a response. So I'm going to walk you through that. So for me, it's the record a response or the red button. So I'm going to go ahead and click record a response. And when you do, this little window pops up and it's going to tell you, record. You have 2 minutes to record your video. You don't have to use all 2 minutes. If you just want to talk for 30 seconds, that's okay. Just talk for 30 seconds, but 2 minutes is the most, that's the maximum amount of time you have, okay? So you click anywhere to make this little screen go away. And now it's here. Look, it's me again. I'm in 2 places. So the cool thing about Flipgrid is you can do effects on it. So if you click effects, you can add filters. So I can be green. I can be rainbow. Ooh, that one's pretty cool, huh? Or you can even digitize yourself. But let's not use that one because then I won't be able to see your face. So find one where I can still see you, whichever one you want to use. And then what you want to do is you want to hit this red record button. Once you hit that, it's going to count down and you can tell me whatever you want. Say, hi, my name is so-and-so, my favorite color is blue, and then, whatever you want to tell me. And once you're done, you want to hit next. It's going to count down, and you can tell me whatever you want. Say, hi, my name is so-and-so, my favorite color. So to make those little screens go away, click anywhere, and then, you can watch your video again. But, you don't have to. And then what you want to do is click next. And then you can take a selfie. So this selfie is going to be what everyone sees on it. So let me take one. Oh, hold on. And then hit next. And now it's uploading my response video. In your display name, put your name, your first and last name, and then hit submit. And ta-da! You submitted a response video, and then hit complete. And you're done. Now, what you want to do is, if there's other students here, watch their videos too. You might be the first one, but go ahead and watch their videos, and then that way you get to meet your classmates too, okay? So hopefully this video helps, and if you still have questions, go to my Google site, find my contact information, and call me. Or shoot me a message, and I will try to help you get into Flipgrid and make a response video, okay? Bye guys, I can't wait to see them.